Eugenics Eagles.
Yeah.
I didn't even know any of these groups. I certainly wouldn't even know how to signal them if I tried.
America, are you listening to this? The President of the United States is literally blowing a dog whistle.
I don't think this thing is working. I don't hear anything.
Mr. Vice President, your closing statement.
Well,
That is so unfair. Why don't I get to make a closing statement first? After all, I am the pres.
sorry, but I think we all needed a break. Isn't that satisfying? Just not to hear his voice for a single goddamn